LYNK is excited to introduce a powerful new tool on our website, the Vehicle Compatibility Chart. This feature makes it easy for you to check if the Auto Agent 3 supports your vehicle and see what diagnostics and factory functions are available. Let's take a look. From the LYNK homepage, navigate to the Vehicle Compatibility section. Here you can select your vehicle's year, make, and model. Let's choose a 2021 Ford F-250 with the 6.7-liter Power Stroke engine. Immediately, you'll see a breakdown of available features, including diagnostics, factory functions, and live data monitoring. The chart also lists additional PIDs that the Auto Agent 3 can read, giving you access to real-time sensor data beyond what's shown in the factory dashboard. Want to check another vehicle? Simply select a different make and model, and the system will instantly update with relevant information. This makes it easy to determine whether key features like diagnostic control and update your ECM are available for your vehicle. At LYNK, we know that finding the right solution for your vehicle is important. With our new compatibility tool, you can get quick answers about Auto Agent 3 support and functionality. Visit www.easylink.com today and explore how LYNK can enhance your driving experience.